Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got this old DYSON vacuum, and the problem with this thing is it's starting to make some weird noises. So it works fine when you just regular, but once you put it upright, it's making that noise, and this is not getting too much suction. So trying to figure out what's wrong with it. If you take this off, because I thought it may be one of these filters. And then you put it up, and it's still, yeah, that kind of no noise. So what I found out was that, which I never knew, this thing has another hose down here, and it looks pretty clogged. So let's take that off. Let's see. I think you press this. There you go. Yeah, that looks clogged. So let's clean this out. All right, this is clean. Let's look under there and see if that looks clear. And let's see. Let's take this apart, see if there's anything here. And it's cleaning. That looks clear. So, yep, that looks good. So let's put this back on. And let's put this guy back on. Let's see, I forgot how it went on. There you go. It kind of slides in place. Let's see if that fixed the problem. Throw this guy back in place. Okay, let's see if this is fixed. Start it up this way first. Yep. Oh yeah. Lots of suction now. So that was it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.